Hello, David Bradley here reading another passage from Eugenics and Sex Harmony. This is a continuation. This is on page 94, where sex is usually taught. Most of us adults can remember where we first learned of the mysteries of sex, a subject which was indeed kept a mystery. We learned it around cigar stores, saloons, barber shops, and street corners. The church and the school, both proper places for instruction in this important subject, kept strangely silent. It was considered grossly insulting for one in so-called respectable society even to hint at anything so shameful, as procreation, or at any relation of the sexes that might suggest the biology of reproduction. Hundreds of thousands of girls grew up to womanhood and were married, knowing no more of the functions than they did at puberty, and many of those who did succeed in finding out something of the processes involving attained only a garbled and distorted version of this most important subject. We are not quite so prudish today, but we are still stupid and bigoted enough, heaven knows. As Sir William remarks, and as every intelligent doctor will agree, it is indecent for parents to permit children to have a vulgar misunderstanding of the wonderful beauty of nature. In the confidential recesses of the average doctor's office, uh, are told tales by young girls and boys who are nothing short of appalling in these days of so-called enlightenment. Remember, this book is 90 years old. Now man, in common with all animal life, has but two instincts. The first is to preserve life, the other is to reproduce it. Full knowledge regarding both should be given in schools to all children. These are God-given instincts. If they were not moral, we would not have them. And if we are ashamed to give instruction about either, we should refrain from following the impulses they stimulate in us. So this, page 94, Eugenics and Sex Harmony, published in 1933, and it is written by Dr. Herman H. Rubin. Little by little, I will find other interesting passages. Until then, be safe. See you soon. Bye for now.